mother. It's too many of you crying. Brother, 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 it's far too many of you dying. You know we've got to find a way to bring some loving here today.